Hello everyone and welcome to another PowerPoint tutorial where I'll show you how to create a sleek animated slide for comparing or showcasing multiple products. This technique is ideal for highlighting product features, making comparisons or adding a professional touch to your slides. So if you enjoy creative PowerPoint tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video and do subscribe to the channel. Now let's dive in and bring your ideas to life. Let's begin by inserting a rectangle. Duplicate the rectangle and place it beside the first one. Repeat the process once again. Next, select all, go to shape format, shape outline and select no outline to remove the borders. Now group them and align them to the center and middle of the slide. Further, expand it to cover the entire slide, ensuring all corners are filled. Once done, ungroup the shape. Now it's time to fill the shape with different colors. I already have a color palette ready with me, so I will go to Shape Fill and select the eyedropper tool and pick color directly from the palette. Repeat this for other two rectangles. Next, insert a text box and type your title. Adjust the font style, size and color. Also align the text box to the center of the slide. Now it's time to add images. I have preloaded all the images for this presentation in the blank slide below, so I don't need to fetch them from my computer again and again. So I will copy the image from here and paste them onto the main slide. Next, insert a text box and type your subheading. Adjust the font style, size and color. Also align the text box to the center of first rectangle. Now duplicate the text box for remaining two subheadings. Replace the text and align each subheading to the center of respective rectangles. Do the same for third subheading. Then match the text color to complement the background. Now we will create the first transition. Duplicate the slide. On the first one, move the outer rectangles downward and the middle rectangle upward. Select the images, shift them downward and rotate them slightly for the effect. Delete the subheadings and move the title upward to make smooth animation. Switch to second slide, go to transition and apply the Morph Transition for a smooth effect. Next, select all three subheadings, go to animation tab and apply the zoom effect. Open the animation pane, right click the effect and set it to start with previous for a synchronized animation. Next, duplicate the slide to create a third slide. On this slide, resize the second and third images. Do the same with subheading by decreasing the font size and move it little bit down. Next, collapse the second and third rectangle at the background and expand the first one to create focus on first product. Next, adjust the positions of images and subheadings to ensure alignment within their respective rectangles. Next, delete all the animation effect from the animation pane. Next, select the first subheading, move it little bit upward and increase the font size. Now, bring in images showcasing different color variant of the first product. Right click on the existing image and choose Bring to Front. Next, adjust the size and place the images on top of each other for a layered look. Next, insert a text box for the product description and paste the details. Adjust the font size, color and spacing. Next, apply animation effect. For this, select the images at the back, go to animation tab, add animation, more effect, use basic zoom and set the timing to 0.75 seconds. Right click on the animation effect and select Start After Previous with a delay of 0.5 seconds for subsequent animation. Next, select the description box and apply fade animation and set it to Start After Previous. Next, duplicate the slide. On the fourth slide, remove all animation effects from the animation pane. Select all three images of the first product, make it center aligned and decrease the size. Next, increase the font size of the second subheading and move it upward. Do the opposite with the first subheading. Decrease the font size and move it downward. Next, collapse the first rectangle and adjust the position of the images and subheading to ensure alignment within the rectangle. Then, expand the middle rectangle to create focus on second product. Next, bring in images of second product with different color variant. Right click on the existing image and choose Bring to Front. Then adjust the size and place them on top of each other. Then replace the description for the second product. Next, apply the same animation effects to the images using the animation painter tool. How to do that? Go to previous slide and select the image with animation effect. Navigate to animation tab, choose animation painter, come back to the fourth slide and click on the image to replicate the animation effect. Then adjust the timing in animation pane. Similarly, apply the animation to description text box. Next, duplicate the slide. On the fifth slide, we will quickly repeat same steps as we did for previous two slides. That is, step 1, to create focus on third product by resizing and repositioning the rectangles and images. Step 2, update subheadings, descriptions and animation accordingly. Step 3, use the animation painter to replicate animation effects for consistency. Next, copy the second slide and place it after the fifth slide. Then select slide 3 to slide 6 and apply the Morph Transition. Set the duration to 1.5 seconds and that's it. You have created a dynamic animated comparison slides. Now go ahead and simply impress your audience with professional animated slides. So if you found this video helpful, do like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.